Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate travel insurance with InsureMyTrip, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your travel insurance with InsureMyTrip, visit their website. On the homepage, look for the Get Quotes or Compare Plans button. Click on that button to proceed to the quote comparison page. Enter your trip details, including your departure and return dates. Make sure to include your destination, traveler's ages, and any specific coverage needs. After entering your information, click on the Get Quotes button. Briefly review the insurance options presented based on your criteria. Select the plans that best fit your travel needs. Take a moment to compare the coverage details of each selected plan. Once you have made your choices, select the Buy Now or Get Started option. You will be prompted to fill in your personal information, such as name and contact details. After entering your information, choose your payment method. Input your payment details to complete the purchase. Review all information carefully before finalizing your transaction. Once the payment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include your policy information and any further instructions. To automate your coverage for future trips, consider setting reminders in your calendar. This will help ensure you revisit InsureMyTrip when planning new travels. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate your travel insurance with InsureMyTrip. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.